Welcome back, everyone. Get ready for another super fun Would You Rather challenge. Today's questions are going to be crazy, funny, and really hard to choose from. Make sure to play till the end and comment your answers below. Let's see how many tough choices you can survive. Let's begin. Burger, pizza, French fries, shawarma, sandwich, hot dog, fried chicken nuggets, popcorn, samosa, spring rolls, chips, nachos, tacos, donut, cookies, cupcake, muffin, ice cream, waffles, pancakes, pasta, dumplings, pretzel, corn dog, chicken wings, garlic bread, mac and cheese, onion rings, burrito, quesadilla, biryani roll, kebab roll, momos, brownie, churros, sliders, chicken, popcorn, fish fingers, mozzarella sticks, candy, chocolate bar, 𝙿𝙀𝙎𝙀𝙎, jalebi, pakora, fruit, chaat, club sandwich, zinger burger, paratha roll, chaat, 𝙿𝙀𝙎𝙀𝙎, cotton candy, loaded fries, chicken tikka roll, fried rice, ramen, sushi, pita wrap, falafel, cheese balls, cheese sandwich, banana chips, apple pie, meat pie, bagel, croissant, crispy chicken wrap, hash browns, mini pancake bites, stuffed crust pizza, chicken wrap, egg roll, smoothie bowl, milkshake, pudding, buttered corn, chicken satay, taco fries, rice balls, Pop-Tarts. That was today's Would You Rather challenge. How many questions did you answer? And which choice was the hardest for you? Comment your favorite answer below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more fun quizzes and challenges. See you in the next video!